Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone and hello Miss Amrina Amalia. My name is Ayuditya Ningrum. My ID number is 21000100X2. Here I will present about journal The Effect of Government Expenditure on Economic Growth in Indonesia. Background. This study examines the effect of government expenditure on economic growth in Indonesia, focusing on personal expenditure, material expenditure, capital expenditure, interest payment, subsidies, and social expenditure. The data from 2005 to 2019 is used for the hypothesis test using the multiple linear regression method with SPSS 26. Variable keyword, government expenditure, economic growth, and GDP. Theory. Keynes theory 19 and 36 reject loan interest rate and introduce uncertainties in investing. Interest rates are influenced by future demand for money and can warn at any time. The role of real wages and production level in determining the marginal economic growth. Wagner Law, 19th century. Theory suggests that a country economic affect government size measured by government spending. Wagner Law emphasized the effect of GDP on government spending. The Solos One theory, 1956, posit that economic growth is influenced by technological progress and production factors like population, labor, and capital accumulation. The theory emphasized technical development and sustainable growth over time. Review. Economic growth is an improvement in the economic condition of a country and as a measure of development achievement. Government expenditure is the obligation of the central government which reduces the value of net assets. Expenditure lists in the state revenue and expenditure budget APBN consists of state expenditure and transfer to the region. Personal expenditure is compensation in financial or material given to state civil servant ASN and pension of ASN as a reward for the completion of the assignment. Material expenditure is the government spending of consumable goods and or services that are used for the entity operational activities and providing service to the public. Capital expenditure is a planned allocation to purchase or repair or substitute all of entity assets. Interest payment are government expenditure for interest payment made on the obligation to use principal outstanding both domestic loan and foreign loans, which are calculated based on the position of short-term or long-term loans. Subsidies are providing of financial assistance paid to a business or economic sector. Social expenditure has the main objective of protecting people from social risks. Those who receive this assistance are generally people with a low level of welfare and the nature of the assistance is only temporary. Next is Table 3 Partial Test Result. Test analysis in Table 3 for variable of personal expenditure, material expenditure, capital expenditure, debt interest payment, subsidies, and social expenditure. There are three variables which the calculate value is greater than the T table, including variable of personal expenditure, material expenditure, and capital expenditure. The value of T table with a significance level of 5% is 2004. The three variables have a significant value below 5%, which means that they have a significant effect on economic growth. Three other variables, including interest payment on debt, subsidies, and social expenditure. The value of the T table is smaller than the T count and the significant level is above 5%. This means that the variable interest payment, subsidies, and social expenditure do not have a significant effect on economic growth. Next is the result in the table 3, economic growth. One is component of central government expenditure, including personal, material, capital, interest payment, subsidies, and social expenditure, have a significant effect simultaneously on economic growth. There is a significant positive effect on the relationship between the variable personal expenditure and material expenditure on economic growth. There is a significant negative effect on the relationship between the variable capital expenditure on economic growth. The other three variables, which include debt interest payments, subsidies, and social expenditure, do not have a significant effect on economic growth. Next is the government. 1. The government has the authority to regulate the economic through budgetary intervention on fiscal policy and government spending. 2. The classification of central government spending into personal expenditure, material expenditure, capital expenditure, debt interest payments, subsidies, grant, social, other expenditure, and regional expenditure is stipulated in Law No. 17 of 2003 concerning state finance. 3. Personal expenditure occupies the highest proportion of 23% of total central government expenditure, followed by material expenditure, interest payments, subsidies, and capital expenditure. 4. Capital expenditure does not rank the highest in the proportion of central government expenditure, but its existence is important for national development. The next last is the conclusion. The study reveals that government expenditure, including personal, material, capital, interest payment, subsidies, and social expenditure, significantly impact economic growth from 2005 to 2019. However, the relationship between personal and good expenditure and capital expenditure is negative. Other variables like debt interest payments, subsidies, and social assistance do not have a significant impact. The government needs to manage policies, selectively allocate capital expenditure, limit loan, and provide subsidies and social expenditure to boost community productivity. Thank you for your attention. If there is any mistake, please forgive me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.